Welcome, today we're going to show you how to bypass the Linkvertise 1 hour wait. So if you ever clicked on a Linkvertise link and been hit with annoying 60-minute wait time before you can access your content, I'm going to show you how to bypass that in this video. So the first thing you can do is to clear your browsing cookies and history. So how to do that? So you need to click on the three dots as seen from here, and then you need to go to history. Click on the three dots again and click on open history page. Now from here you need to click on delete browsing data, and now you can just delete all of these stuff, but if you want your passwords or something you can just let them from here. If there's something that you don't want to delete, you can just uncheck the box and click on clear now. So in other browsers you can just click on the three dots and scroll down till you see more tools. From here you can see clear browsing data. So the next method is to switch to a different browser. So some data from a browser to browser will change, so it won't ask you to wait for 1 hour. So if I'm now using Microsoft Edge, I can just open Chrome as see from here, and the 1 hour wait will be bypassed. Also you can try to change your IP or change your network connection. So try to connect to another network and that may fix your issue. Also you can try to use a VPN. Also if you use a VPN while opening incognito, so you can just click on here on the three dots and click open a new and private window on Microsoft Edge. I'll see from here. So when I open Chrome I can just open here and I can click on new incognito page. Now from here you can just turn a VPN and that will fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.